Today we looked at naming polynomials. You had this handout yesterday and it's in your notes. We have to pick one from this category right here. This is like its first name, and then this one down here is kind of like its last name. So you want to look at your polynomial like this one right here, 2x cubed plus 6. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at the degree up here. So you have two terms. You have a third degree. A third degree is right here. It's a cubic. That's the first name. Then you're going to go down and you're going to say, okay, how many terms are in there? Well, we have 1, 2. 2 terms means it's a binomial. So this is a cubic binomial. This example on this page is 12x squared plus 4x cubed plus 5. We have to put it in standard form, which means the term with the highest exponent value has to go first, and then we go down from there. So we are going to rewrite this as 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus 5. This makes it easier for us to identify the degree. 4x cubed has the highest exponent. It's a 3. Again, we have a cubic. Now we have to go back and say, how many terms are there? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms make it a trinomial. This is a cubic trinomial. Another example. 5x plus 2. It is in standard form. We have 5x. We don't see an exponent, so we know it's a 1, which means it's a linear. How many terms do we have? We have 2 terms, the 5x and the 2, so it's a linear binomial. Four x squared y. Here we have to say, what's the degree? We remember that this is a monomial because there isn't a plus or minus sign to go with it. There's a y to the first. With monomials, remember we have to add these. 2 and 1 makes it a third degree. Third degrees are cubic. This is a cubic monomial because it only has one term. Let's look at just a couple more examples. 12y. It's a monomial because it's one term, and this is an exponent of 1, so this is another linear monomial. Sorry about the handwriting. 2. 2 is just a constant. There's no degree. This is a constant monomial. Negative 3x squared plus 12x to the fourth plus 6x minus 7. Putting this in standard form, we would have 12x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 7. 4 is the degree. It's a quartic. Funny word. Quartic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. 4 more terms. It's just a quartic polynomial. The homework's on the website. Just write the questions out and do the best you can.